Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by closing the largest attack surfaces, update and lock down. Enable Play Protect and run a manual app scan. This removes known threats fast. Then make sure system and app updates are set to automatic, because patches fix vulnerabilities you cannot see. Finally, configure a strong PIN of 6 digits or longer and add Biometric unlock. Once done, set the screen to auto-lock within 30 seconds to reduce exposure if lost or stolen. Once your basics are done, harden network and app behavior. Use a reputable VPN whenever you connect to public Wi-Fi so your traffic stays encrypted. Avoid unknown hotspots. Audit app permissions. Revoke location, microphone, camera access for apps that don't need them, and disable background data for high-risk apps. Make sure you install only from the Play Store or vetted APKs. If an app asks for excessive permissions, uninstall it. These steps reduce silent data leaks. To finish, secure accounts and prepare for recovery. Enable two-factor authentication on your Google account and other critical services. Prefer authenticator apps or security keys over SMS for stronger protection. Set up encrypted backups and enable Find My Device so you can locate or remotely wipe a lost phone. If you suspect compromise, boot into safe mode to scan for malicious apps and remove them. If issues persist, perform a factory reset after backing up essential data. This gives you a clear recovery path.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.